Beginning in late 2023, something unprecedented happened in the Red Sea. Drones and missiles launched by Yemen's Houthi movement began targeting commercial ships, LNG tankers, container carriers, crewed vessels. Their message? Solidarity with Gaza, but the impact stretched far beyond politics. These were not isolated incidents. Nearly 500 attacks hit over 100 ships across the Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and Arabian Sea. Suddenly, the world's busiest waterway, linking Asia and Europe, became a high-risk zone. Shipping giants like Maersk and MSC had no choice but to reroute vessels around Africa's Cape of Good Hope. That meant up to 2 extra weeks at sea, skyrocketing fuel and insurance costs, and a traffic collapse in the Suez Canal. Egypt's revenue tumbled. Israel's Eilat port saw business drop by 85%. But what about the crews? Responses were all over the map. Some ships went into lockdown, mustered in safe zones, and radioed for naval support. Others? No clear drills, confused communication, even panic. Most ships lacked reinforced safety zones against aerial threats. In the chaos, it became clear many crews weren't ready for drone warfare. So what should have happened? Before entering high-risk waters, ships need solid risk assessments, hardened safe shelters, and clear, practiced protocols for drone threats. Standard operating procedures, SOPs, should cover everything: detection, distress calls, mustering, and reporting to naval escorts. Following frameworks like ISO 31000, the ISM code, and IMO guidelines, non-negotiable. The failures were glaring: no regional threat logs, delayed communication, and incomplete bridge watches. Too many crews caught off guard by a new kind of threat. Here's the big lesson: commercial vessels are now frontline targets in regional conflicts. Preparedness isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Train your crew, update your crisis response, and stay ahead of asymmetric threats. Want to protect your crew, cargo, and reputation? Start with real-world lessons. Learn how to keep your ship and your people safe in today's unpredictable maritime environment.